Hi friends, welcome to my channel where I make recipes that do not require any kind of frying, roasting, cooking, in fact no kind of heating at all. These are raw recipes which do not require any kind of heating and therefore retain lot of nutrients that are available already in the vegetables, fruits, nuts, whatever. So today we will be discussing how to make zucchini noodles. You might be surprised you can make noodles that look like and feel like and taste better than the commercially available noodles, and these can be easily made by a vegetable called zucchini. Please note though that other than zucchini as a vegetable, no other vegetable is ideally suited to make these kind of noodles. The Indian kira or the European cucumber will not work for this. We need to have vegetable that does not have a lot of water, that is starchy in nature to allow us to make the noodles. If you take a cucumber, it is watery in nature, brittle, so therefore it is not possible to make the noodles using the regular cucumber. Zucchini is the one. Now, it may appear when you go to the market, you will find zucchini noodles as quite expensive, but then do note that we will hardly be requiring half of one vegetable for one decent serving, and the weight of these vegetable is so low that it will cost literally nothing to be able to afford. So you may be wondering, so what is good about this particular way of taking the noodles? It's a raw way of eating. Zucchini in particular has lots of potassium, and potassium has a tendency to reduce the salt effects and therefore reduces blood pressure and helps heart diseases as well. Its antioxidants slows down aging process. It is a very nutrient dense vegetable. Actually it is a fruit technically, but it is served as a vegetable, and because of the starchy nature and the fibrous nature, it helps digestion. It is low in calories for those who want to lose weight. This is something that helps them as well. So it's a kind of a vegetable that is one size fits all kind of a thing, suits anyone literally, unless someone is allergic, of course. So for making a zucchini noodles, obviously we will need a zucchini, a good one. Ideally, it should be straight and long. It makes it easier for us to do the spiral. There is a spiralizer which is available, I think, for a few hundreds of rupees at Amazon. This has three parts. The vegetable goes through the middle part, and through the top portion, we will basically use a spiraling movement by which the vegetable is pushed through. So take the zucchini and make it into half. Actually, we will be using only a quarter at a time, and cut off the ends and remove the outer skin that is there on the zucchini. So once the zucchini is peeled, like I said, we will actually take a quarter at a time. Only so much will fit into the spiralizer at a time. After inserting the zucchini in the middle channel, we will use a twisting movement to the top portion, holding the threaded portion of the main channel in your left hand firmly. It should be firm enough so that you are able to twist the top portion, but not too hard that you are not able to twist it. If you push it too hard in a forward movement, the forward piece which has got the cutter will be thrown away. It's very interesting to see that fine noodles can be formed with this spiralizer very easily. It does not take a lot of effort, although it does take a couple of minutes or maybe 3-4 minutes to make the noodles. So let you not be in the impression that these are vegetable noodles and they may not taste good, they will be brittle, they may be cutting off in between. No, there's nothing like that. In fact, these noodles are so long. I strongly believe these are significantly longer than the commercial ones. When you are eating them, you will have to pre-cut them or bite them as we normally do with noodles. You can add any dressing of your choice on these noodles. I will be posting some of the dressings. I think I have already posted some, and you can use any of those and enjoy your noodles. These are absolutely delicious. These noodles, they will not be tasting the same as the commercial noodles made from semolina or whatever, rice noodles or whatever. In fact, according to me, these noodles taste better than the commercially available noodles, cooked noodles. As you can see, this is a raw recipe using the vegetable as it is provided by Mother Nature, and the taste is better than the regular ones. So why shouldn't we using these noodles for your diet at least once in a while? Enjoy the beauty of it, enjoy the taste of it, and get a very good health benefit as well. Do get benefited by this by making your own noodles. If you have any questions, do let me know by posting comments, and I will try my level best to help you. Now, if you have enjoyed watching this, I strongly suggest that you make this recipe. Actually, it's pretty easy, just cutting it. I'm sure you will enjoy it. By the way, in the meantime, can you please click on that like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and please post your comments. I would like to know how you are finding these videos if they are useful to you. Thanks for your time.